Hi friends, welcome to this Greek learning channel. I hope that you might have already learned Greek small letter alphabets. Today I'm going to teach you about the capital letter alphabets and also the equivalent letters. Equivalent letters is helping you to read and it should be, and also the pronunciation clearly. So I encourage all of you to watch the videos and it will help you to read Greek in a fluentful manner. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളോട് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് ഗ്രീക്ക് ആൽഫബറ്റ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. അതിൻ്റെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ ആണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിലെ വീഡിയോ എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കടന്നു പോകാം. Let's revise first. Last class we have learned the small letter alphabets: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, phi, chi, psi, omega. I know that you master it. And now we are going to look into it. Capital letter of alphabets, very easy. So let's learn that capital letter of alphabets. So first one, alpha. So alpha we write capital letter A, like A in English. Capital letter A in English, alpha. Very easy. Then beta. Beta is capital letter B, like in English. So very easy. Beta. Ga. So equivalent letter is the equivalent letter of, today I am going to teach you about the equivalent letter also. So alpha equivalent letter is A. In Malayalam it is A. It will help you to read the Greek very easily. So A sound will come. B, beta, B sound. So ba, B sound. So in Malayalam we say ba. The pronunciation is ba, B-A-T, ba, bat, B, ba sound. So for example, I'm just writing for you to read. A sound, A, B, B, A. You read Abba. So when you read the Greek, this is Abba, A, B, B, A. A sound is a equivalent letter. With the equivalent letter is, why it is equivalent letter is, it is to pronounce. So you had to read Abba, Abba. Then gamma. Gamma is, it is like Kodi. No, it is like, when you flag hosting, there is a post light or electrical light, in the street light. You can see like this kind of structure. So gamma is like this, okay? G sound, ga. Ga sound, G, goat, G-O-T, goat, ga, ga, ga. Ga sound is coming, is it? Gamma, G-A-M-M-A, gamma. So ga sound. Next one is delta. Delta you studied in the school days, just like triangle. So D sound, delta. Da sound in Malayalam. In English, D, dog, da sound, da. See that? D sound. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Epsilon is very easy, like English E. Greek also E, capital letter E sound. Zeta. Zeta is Z. It is like in English Z, zeta. So that is Z in pronunciation, za sound, za, zeta. Eta is like H in English. So it is in Greek capital, eta means A sound is H, A sound, okay, A sound. Then theta is, capital theta is, make a big round like smiley, small smiley, theta, thai, Malayalam we say tha. So tha sound. So iota is in Greek, capital is like English I. So very easy, E sound will come. Example, Tim, T-I-M, Tim, E sound. See that? So in Malayalam E sound will come, like ka plus E, key, E sound. So E is added here. So E capital, E iota is I. That is like in English letter I. So now we look into the kappa. Kappa is very easy. Kappa is like K only capital and ka sound. ka sound. Then lambda. Lambda is like the half of this one. See, half of this one. So it will be lambda. See this? Lambda. Lambda. La sound. La. Okay? So ba, la sound. Then we are going to learn lambda mu. Mu is very easy, like capital letter M in English. Mu. Mu is capital letter M in English. Next is nu. Nu is capital letter N English. Na sound. Na sound. Ma is ma sound. M mother. Ma sound. N not. Na sound. Munu xi. Xi is like, a square bracket like this, like this. And then put a smiley like this. So it is kind of a robotic smiley. Munu xi. Xi. Xa sound in Malayalam. Xa. In English, X. Xylophone. Xylophone. Xa. Okay. Munu xi. Omicron. O. Capital letter in Greek. Big O. Omicron. Okay. Pi. Pi is already studied. Capital pi. Straight. This is little slide is there. So pi. Pa sound. O is O sound. Omicron. One more O we will study. O, that is omega. That you will study later. At the end of the letter. End of the alphabets. O pi. Next is rho. Rho is look like P. Don't call P, but it is a Ra. Okay. Don't read as a P. It is a Rho. Rho. So it is R sound. A Ra. Okay. Ra sound. See. Next one. Sigma. Sigma. Sigma is what sound? Sigma is za sound. Za sound. So sigma. Sigma I already studied in your school days. It is sigma. Okay. W ne charichi karthi vechekana. Sigma. W is lying down. It's kind of structure you can find. Za sound. Tau. Tau is very easy. Like T only. Tau. Upsilon. Ta sound. Upsilon is oo. That is, it is, grass growing in the field. It is like, this is like that. You draw a picture like a grass is growing up. Okay. A grass is growing up. This is upsilon. Oo sound. Okay. Oo sound. Okay. Next one, phi. Phi you already study. Make small letter is round and slash, but capital letter is make a little more bigger and straight line. That is phi. Yeah. Phi. Ki. Ki is X. So in Malayalam, kha. Ki. Khanam. Ki. Okay. Here, kha sound is like X. X. Capital letter X. See. Ki. Psi. Psi is written with a slash line, but in capital make it straight line. Okay. Psi. Psa sound. Psa sound. Omega. Omega is the last letter that you studied in your school days. This is a capital letter omega. O. Okay. These are the capital letters you studied. A, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta is like H, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, pi, rho is like P, sigma, tau, upsilon, phi, chi, psi, omega. So for example, I would like to write something else for you to understand. B, A, alpha, L, omega. Can you read it? What is this? Today you are going to read the Greek word. B, equivalent letter is B. Alpha, equivalent letter is A. Lambda, equivalent letter is L. L English. Lambda, equivalent letter is L. Omega is O. Read that. Ballo, B-A-L-L-O, ballo. Okay, read that. And ballo means I throw. Okay, ഞാൻ എറിഞ്ഞു. Ballo. Read this one. Equivalent letter B, L, E, P, omega, O. Bleppo means I see. See, one more word I will write for you. Luo. L-U-O. read it. Luo. Now you master. You start reading the Greek word. So you can connect the if you know the equivalent letter. So it is very easy for you to read these Greek words and the Greek language. So I hope you understood the things. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Maybe you can put it in the comments if you have any doubt or any clarification. Some pronounce eta, some pronounce eta also, some pronounce e. So no worry about it. Eta you study, this is for reading purpose. That is good for you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed today's class. I hope that you have mastered Greek small letter and capital alphabets and also the equivalent letter, and I believe that you will start read the Greek alphabets by learning the equivalent letter too. And I also encourage you to like and subscribe for this video and the channel, and it will help you to see more videos in the coming days, and we can learn Greek together. And if you have any doubts and clarification, please raise your questions in the comment box. I would like to answer your questions. And thank you for all the comments which you have given in the previous video. God bless you all. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തന്ന എല്ലാ വിലയേറിയ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾക്ക് നന്ദി. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്നോട് അറിയിക്കുക. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് തിരിച്ചതിന് റിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. മാത്രമല്ല കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഒത്തിരി കമൻസ് ഒക്കെ വന്നിരുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ഓൾ യുവർ കമൻസ്, and God bless you all. We learn Greek master in a good level. God bless.